Hello friends, welcome back to my channel and I'm back with a new product review. And in today's video what I have with me is a very versatile and very useful product. We all have this in our house and this is nothing but the simple Jeera. So this is Jeera which I bought from DMart, and today we are going to talk about Jeera, the health benefits of Jeera, starting off with that. So Jeera is a very useful product, guys. We should use it in our day-to-day foods because it helps in so many ways. It helps our body, it helps in digestion, it boosts your metabolism, it supports your immune system, it also supports in weight loss if you're looking to lose weight. It is a very rich source of iron, so do include it in your diet. It is also known to help control your blood sugar spikes. It also good for stomach health and good for your skin and hair as well. So it's a very versatile and very helpful product. If you are looking to buy Jeera, it's available on DMart in stores as well as online, so you can buy it from there. So now guys, talking about the packaging of this packet right here, it's a very simple packaging. Comes in this transparent packaging. You can see the Jeera right there from here outside itself. Then Jeera is written here, and this is a 100-gram packet that I have, and it is from DMart. The DMart Premier branding is right here. Moving on to the back of the pack, the packaging date is mentioned. The MRP of this 100 gram is 53 and the use by date is also given on this. So the net quantity as mentioned is 100 gram. So yeah, and like I said, the MRP of this Jeera is rupees 53. So now coming to how to use Jeera for the best use in your day-to-day food. Basically you can add it as a tadka to your dal. You can add it as in your rice as well while making Jeera rice. One of my favorite rices, Jeera rice. You can add it to as a tadka in your vegetable or sabzis that you'll make. You can also drink Jeera water in the morning. So very simple to make Jeera water. You just boil like 2 glasses of water, you put some Jeera in it and let it boil, and then you strain it out and have that water. Very good for digestion. If you're facing any digestion or stomach issues, definitely try having Jeera water in the morning. It will help solve your problems. And you can also use, you can also roast the Jeera and add it to buttermilk. It tastes amazing. So buttermilk is also very beneficial, so adding Jeera to it also adds more value to the buttermilk. So an amazing and versatile product this is. So final reviews guys, Jeera is a must have kitchen ingredient. It is healthy, it is flavorful and useful for daily cooking. I definitely recommend using Jeera regularly for both taste and health benefits of the amazing Jeera.